Hi there, I'm Cameron from Ultimate Floor Care, and today I'm going to talk about the Bona R848 adhesive. Now, I know I've done a few videos about them, but I just want to spread some importance about these new 9 kg sausages that Bona have brought out in this decent carry case. So in front of us we have the Bona R848 tubs. So in there you will get 15 kilos, and then here we have the saline sausages. In there you'll get 21 kilos in here, and which are applied with this applicator gun. And then in this box here we have 2 9 kilo sausages, and they are this size. I'm going to get them out just to show you. Just before I open it, if you just have a look and see how easy it is just to carry this around, carry it from the van into the site that you're working, same way you would a tub. So let's just open them up and have a look at them. So inside you have these 9 kilo sausages. So these 9 kilo sausages of R848, so they're R848 T in there, which is a slightly thicker product to the R848, but it carries the same properties like strength and drying times. So these specific 9 kilo sausages were designed for the Opti Spread UX machine, which is a huge applicator gun. Comes in 2 different sized nozzles. You've got 250mm and 300mm, and what it does is it applies to the floor at the same size as a trowel notch would, so it won't just leave squiggles on the floor. It will actually apply it how the notches are when it's applied with a trowel. So that's what these are originally designed for, was to use with the Opti Spread UX. But what we've realised is these 9 kilo sausages are actually a lot more better for the environment than using the 6 to 15 kilo tubs, as when you're finished with the tubs you're going to have a huge tub left, and then they end up in landfill if they're not cleaned out properly. But with these, the waste you left over once you've used all of this is just a scrunched up bit of foil and a little bit of cardboard. So it's all about being friendly to the environment and making less to go into landfill. Another benefit with these is, with the tub, sometimes you put the lid on and it can go hard around the edges, but with this you could quite simply cut the top of this nozzle, spread it out, squeeze it out on the floor, apply it with the trowel, and then you could twist it shut or even fold it shut with a bit of tape, and then that will stay in there and it'll be ready to use the following day. So it's just to introduce you guys to the new 9 kilo R848 T sausages. Not only for the Opti Spread UX machine, but they can just be used on the floor with the trowel. So it's just another way that Bona are cutting down on our wastage that's ending up in landfill, just making it easier for you guys as well to carry out the jobs that you need to do and fit these lovely floors that everyone's buying.